Good morning, Kwara. Good morning, Nigeria. This is Moro Bridge in Asa, local government area of Kwara State. It was an inter-state and intra-local government road in Kwara. This bridge is unable to be more useful for people, especially the teachers that are going to their various schools in Asa local government. We have been here for more than 1 hour, seeing how people are moving from one place to another. People have seen how dangerous the bridge is. We are now using this medium to employ and persuade the necessary authority to come to our aid in Asa local government, where the life of our people will be more safe. Speaking with you is the comrade Abraham Sani, the Asa branch NUT chairman, Kwara State. Please feel more. You can see, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. It's now become a trap of death. Let's see. Very terrible and wonderful. Hey, you buy it. Come. Come. Straight. Okay.
Do this place like this, you.
What is the essence of if you don't do? From Ekiti to Akure Road. What do you Don't worry about that one.
It is because we are solid Democrats. We for
Want to bamba? You wanna chill with the big boys? Big boys there. You the wrong, kitty, you the wrong, kata, I'm featuring with the jump up. Stop rushing. Show you see how the team goes. Come back, let people. First cash out, he got that too. We go invest, he shut up.